In this video, we are going to be showing you 3 websites that will pay you $150 daily. All you need is your phone or your laptop. And don't you worry, this is available worldwide. A lot of people are already doing this and making money. It is very simple and very easy to start. No technical skills are needed at all. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Money making. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever a video is uploaded, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Now, the first website is called cashkarma.io. As you can see right here, free cash and gift cards. So, all you need to do is to download the app on your phone, and from there you can start to earn rewards by completing surveys and more. This is the only reward app that lets you earn rewards even if you don't qualify for the survey. As you can see right here, install here and get 300 points. To get the app, just click right here, where it says, Get Cash Karma. If we scroll all the way down, right here, redeem points. Redeem your points for PayPal Cash and Amazon.com gift cards. Gift card codes are loaded right on your device. A lot more gift cards will be added very soon. If we scroll down again, earn bonuses, get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges. Complete 5 offers, watch 25 videos, earn 8,000 points. Increase your reward level each time you earn an earnings badge, levels 1 to 4. You can earn up to a 12.5% bonus each time you complete an offer. All you need to join this app is to go all the way back up here, and click right here, where it says, Get Cash Karma. Once you do that, you will be able to get the app on your device and start making money right away. The next website is called moneysmsapps.com. Once you are on this website, we have the home page, the instruction page, the APK or installation page, and more. Right down here we have Make Money Online. Money SMS is a free Android app that enables you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and our customers. It is very easy to get started. All you need to do is to click right here, and you will be able to download the app on your device and start making money. And if you want to learn more, you can just click right here, where it says, Learn More. If we scroll down, right here, the main features of Money SMS. Money SMS is a free Android app that enables you to make money online automatically just by receiving SMS on your mobile phone. Scroll down again, and right here, works on Android. And it says, our application is exclusively Android-based because only Android allows apps to access SMS. And right here, earns money online. You only need to install our app on your mobile phone and you will get paid just for receiving SMS text messages. Secure. Our app does not read any of your private messages or use any other data. We can access only our own test SMS. Automatic. You earn money with the app passively, without any active actions required from your side. Referral program. You can refer our app to your friends and community and earn 30% from their earnings. And free. Our app is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. If we scroll down again, learn how to make money online with our app. And you can explore how Money SMS app works in a short 1-minute video right here. So, to get started you need 3 steps. Step 1, sign up, download and install the APK, register and keep the app and internet running on your phone. Step 2, receive automatic test SMS. Our system and our customers will send test SMS to your phone number from time to time. Step 3, get paid. You will automatically get paid 2 cents when you receive test messages. You can withdraw your money when your balance hits €2. If you want to learn more, just scroll down again, and right here, learn more about how Money SMS app works. If we keep going through this site, right here, this is how much money they have paid to their customers, €303,603. And right here, they have 435,996 registered users. Scroll down, and you may be asking, why are you getting paid? And right here it says, a lot of telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send SMS test messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure the proper delivery of their SMS. You actually get paid because we use your phone number to provide such testing services. Please note that we do not read your private messages. So, that is what they actually pay you for. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. So, the third website is called adwallet.com. As you can see right here, brands want your attention. Make them buy it. On this website, you get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3. Plus unlock exclusive offers. So, all you need is to watch videos and you get paid. If we scroll down, right here, earn real money online from your favorite brands. This requires 3 steps. Watch a video. Receive a text when it's time to log in to watch a short video, handpicked just for you. Get rewarded. Earn a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 per video interaction. Make more money. Earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer. Plus, download offers from brands you love. If we scroll down again, when you reach $10, you will be able to cash out. And right here, you can click to see payment proofs. If we keep going through this site, right here is the cash and rewards paid out to people just like you. And right here, they offer 3 ways to get paid, so you can choose the one that is best for you. Whether is a MasterCard or a prepaid card, whether is a e-gift cards or donations. Right here are the people who have been using this website. All you need to get started is to click right up here, where it says, sign up, and you will be able to get started with this website. And that's it guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.